Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning outside. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, 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 me. Happy birthday to me, 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 me. Okay, so last night I fell asleep because oh, this is too long. I fell asleep because it's Friday and I'm too tired. So and it's a couple of days past my birthday, and I did not expect anything. And then my family sing happy birthday. Happy, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. And I got this. Oh, so beautiful. Remember, I got another one a couple of days ago, and it's a piece of not so good, and it stops. And so my family sees it and decide, oh, look at it. I am going to give it a try. How do I do it? Must be like this. Do I need to charge it? Where is this? Is the way. It's quite loud comparatively. But, well, sometimes you want to show off and you are loud. That is okay. I found the sound come from different place actually. I'm sorry my hand has touched the microphone. I will connect with my laptop. Let's do it. Okay, let's see how. Oh, I can still not yet using it. Let me see if I can connect system reference. Must be Bluetooth, n'est-ce pas? Bluetooth mouse not connected. Magic 2 mouse. Let me connect. Oh, connected. Oh, yes, it is connected. Wow. Oh, it's so good. Oh, where is the scroller? There is no this. So you just need to move your move your hand here and there. That is a little bit inconvenient, don't you agree? To scroll down and scroll up, but there is not such a thing. I don't think this is a how do you scroll it, right? Oh, yeah, you can do it without even. Oh, yeah, you can do it without. This is a scroller, and this is touch sensitive. Oh, oh yes, touch sensitive. Oh, that is so cool without even that little roller. Oh, I love it. Okay. So I wish you have a happy, happy every day. And it works. Oh gosh. Is there a protection? You know, I protected my computer, a keyboard protector, super ultra thin keyboard protector. I have a touchpad protector, and I have a screen protector. I want to protect everything, and I used to be so dirty, and that is fingers strip. What is that word? You do not have that finger line, and the surface is a little bit matte. And I always buy the same brand, and it's just perfect. Oh, I love it. I love it. Happy birthday to me, 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 me. Happy birthday to me, 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 me. It's my birthday, birthday, birthday. Today is my birthday. I love you. I really do. Do. You have a wonderful, 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 wonderful long weekend. Bye bye, friends.